Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down and find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 28 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings than the contacts. Here we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So basically, if you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside the graph, and here you've got the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and here you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the time you've spent on them. And the second one is to tap directly on the app, so for example settings or contacts. Just tap on it, and here you've got the dashboard again, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Under it, we've got also ways to disconnect, and I'd like to really shortly discuss it. Not all of them, only app limits and maybe focus mode. So app limits, let's enter. Let's pretend I'm spending too much time on Chrome or any other app, and I'd like to limit it. So just find the app, then tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can set the limit. So for example, if I will set it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app for 1 hour and 30 minutes during one day. After that time, after accessing the limit, this app will be grayed out. You will not be able to enter it that easily. Of course, you can turn off the timer whenever you want to, but still your device will remind you that, hello, you've just used your time, and just don't enter this app again. So you can set it for whatever hours you'd like to, or you can set it on 0 hours and 0 minutes, and then let me show you. The app will be completely grayed out, and you will not be able to use it until tomorrow. However, it will start again, so you will not be able to use the app at all. So that's one of the things which I feel it's quite important, and it's quite nice to use. And the focus mode. So for example, we can select some distracting apps. Let's pretend I'm distracted by Notes, Gmail and Google. Then we can set a schedule, so we can choose specific days of the week. We can just mark them or untick. Here we've got the start and the end time, so obviously we can change it. Just tap on it and choose the specific hour, and then tap on set. And from now on, your device will basically limit the notifications or hide the notifications from those distracting apps during a schedule. So you will be able to, for example, rest, work without any kind of disturbance, or spend the time with your family, or whatever you need the focus mode to be set. Yeah, all right, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.